Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning to fix your BT YouView box remote control which is not working. So here's a guide for your sync, reset and battery issue. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Switch back. Fix one is you need to switch back to the correct control mode. Locate the PVR button positioned near the top of your classic BT YouView remote control. Press the PVR button exactly once to force the remote to send signals directly to your set-top box rather than your linked TV frame. Look for the indicator light to flash under the PVR button, which confirms the remote has successfully switched out of the standalone TV control mode. Fix 2. Unstick blocked buttons and clear power cache. Remove the back panel cover and pull out both AAA batteries completely. Press and hold the physical power button on the remote for exactly 30 seconds to completely drain any residual electrical voltage locked inside the internal microchips. Press every single button on the controller firmly multiple times while the battery remains removed to dislodge any microscopic lint, dust, or sticky grease, causing contact pads to lock up. Fix 3. Perform a hard factory software reset on the remote. Press and hold the AD, delete sub, and BT player buttons simultaneously for exactly 5 seconds if you are using a standard BT branded UView remote variant. Release all three buttons once you observe the internal blue status LED light flash 3 times sequentially. Wait a brief moment for the light to blink an additional 3 times, indicating the peripheral's internal cache has cleared back to default factory profiles. Alternatively, if your hardware says Humex on the front panel, press and hold the TV and red buttons together for 5 seconds until the status key blink 3 times to reset the control path. Fix 4. Manually sync and program the remote to your TV brand. Hold down the TV and TV AV buttons at the same time for at least 3 seconds until the blue light flashes 3 times. Release the buttons, then enter the official 4-digit manufacturer code corresponding to your television brand. Aim the controller directly at your screen and hold down the TV button continuously until the television screen completely switches off to lock in the synchronization profile. Fix 5. Force a hardware reboot on the UView box. You need to locate the physical power button on the front or top panel of your physical BT YouView box. Press and hold the button down firmly for exactly 8 seconds before letting go to command a soft system reset. Also, unplug the main electrical power cord from the wall socket for 30 seconds. If the soft cycle fails to break the infrared handshake freeze, you can plug the cable back into the live wall port and wait for the hello loading graphics screen to display. So by following these 5 fixes, it should help you solve your problem. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to hit the subscribe button.